welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level lesson, and we're going to be finishing up making invitations and responding to invitations, and we'll also be learning about using linking words to create more complex sentences. So, do you know these celebrations? Day of the Dead, which is a popular holiday in Mexico. Carnival is in Brazil. Holi is in India, and the Lunar New Year in many Asian countries. And do you celebrate Halloween? So we're going to match each image to one of the sentences. So children go trick-or-treating. People give candy to children. So that would go with picture A. People dress up in costumes. That would be picture C. And people decorate their houses, picture B. So Carrie is going to organize a Halloween party. So just think about some of the things that she might need to do to organize the party. So does Carrie need to think about these things? Write a guest list, send invitations, prepare food and drinks, buy decorations. Well, probably she would want to do all of those things for a Halloween party. So Carrie sent an invitation to Mel. We're going to read the invitation and then answer the questions. Hi Mel, how are you doing? Did you manage to fix the washing machine? Are you doing anything on Saturday night? We're going to have another Halloween party. Can you come? Anytime after 8 p.m. is fine. Oh, and it's dress up, by the way. Do you remember last year when we all dressed up as zombies? Something more traditional might be better this year. We bought tons of food, so don't worry about bringing any. Candles would be good if you have any. Also, can you bring that huge cooking pot you have? It would be perfect for the witch's brew drink I'm planning. Hope you can make it. Drop me a line and let me know. Love, Carrie. So how do we know that Mel and Carrie are friends? Well, it's a very informal, she uses very informal language. She asks her about fixing her washing machine, so she knows what's going on in Carrie's life. So, they know each other fairly well. And also, she talks about last year that so they've known each other for at least a year. So, when is the party? It's on Saturday night at 8 p.m. And which two things does Carrie want Mel to bring? So she said candles and a huge cooking pot. All right. Now, so how does she ask Mel how she is? Well, she said, how are you doing? How does she introduce the event? She just says, we're going to have another Halloween party. How does she ask Mel to come? Well, she says, can you come? And what does she say that she wants? I think this should be, what does she say that she wants? How does she say that she wants Mel to come? Um, Hope you can make it. All right, now Carrie sent an invitation to Rachel. So we're going to read this invitation and answer the questions. Hello, Rachel. How are you? How was your vacation? I'm just writing to ask you if you're free next Saturday. We're going to have a Halloween party. Would you like to come? It's going to start at about 8 p.m. It's going to be a dress-up party, but please don't feel that you need to make too much of an effort. I'm just going to wear black and make a witch's hat out of cardboard. We bought plenty of food, so please don't feel you need to bring a plate. I'm planning to decorate the house, so if you have any decorations or perhaps a pumpkin or two, please bring them along. Please let me know if you can come. Looking forward to hearing from you. Best wishes, Carrie. So how does she ask how Rachel is? She says, "How are you?" What personal information does she ask? She says, "How was your vacation?" What does she ask Rachel to bring? Decorations, or maybe a pumpkin or two. And how does she ask Rachel to reply? She says, "Please let me know if you can come." All right, so now you're going to write an invitation to a friend. So you're going to organize an activity, and this is sort of a template you can use. You can say hello, tell the person, "I hope you are well," and then ask a personal question to the person, celebrating, and you're going to insert the event, the date, um, and then ask the person to come. Insert information about food and drinks, activities, and anything else you want to add, and anything that you want the person to bring. And ask the person to reply, and then say goodbye. All right, here's Mel's response. "Hi, Carrie. I'm pretty good, thanks. Unfortunately, the washing machine isn't doing so well. Thanks a lot for your invitation. The party sounds great. I wouldn't miss it for the world. I'll have to think about a costume, but you're right. Perhaps something with less blood would be better. I saw some awesome Halloween candles in the supermarket yesterday, so I'll bring some along on Saturday. No problem about the cooking pot either. I've never used it for making drinks, but there's a first time for everything. Let me know if you need a hand with setting things up, and I'll come a little bit earlier. See you on Saturday, M." So, how does she say how she is? She says, "I'm pretty good." And then, how does she say thank you? She says, "Thanks." Does she say yes or no to the invitation? So she says yes. I wouldn't miss it for the world. Explain what she will bring. She says some Halloween candles and the cooking pot. And how does Mel give information about when they will see each other? She says, "See you on Saturday." Now, we're going to talk about how you would reply to an information. So we're going to match the type of information with the example. So say hello. Well, that would go with letter E. Hello, Katie. Accept an invitation. That would be letter F. We would love to come to your barbecue on Sunday. Refuse an invitation would be letter A. Unfortunately, we can't come because we are going to a wedding. Request some information. That would be letter C. Is it possible to bring my brother too, since he's visiting us from London? Give information about when they will see each other. That would be D. I'm really looking forward to seeing you again. And saying goodbye would be letter B. Bye for now. All the best. All right, now we're going to try to put the conversation, the invitation, in order. So you can go ahead and pause the video and try that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, so number one would be here. Hello, Carrie. And then number two would be D. Thanks very much for your email. Our vacation was wonderful. We spent 2 weeks lying on the beach, not doing anything. It was exactly what we needed. B would be number three. Thank you for inviting uh, me to your Halloween party. I'd love to come. The only problem is I have to pick up my son from a soccer game at 8 p.m., so I'll probably be about half an hour late. Is that okay with you? And then A would be number four. I'm not sure about a costume at this stage, but I'm sure I can manage something, even though I haven't been to a fancy dress-up party for years and I don't have any decorations. I'll definitely buy a couple of pumpkins and make some lanterns. And then F would be number five. Thanks again for the invitation. Looking forward to seeing you on Saturday. And finally, best wishes, Rachel. All right, so now we're going to practice linking these sentences using and, so, but, or because. And remember, and is when you're giving additional information. So is sort of reason or result. But is when you're giving contradicting or different information. And because is also reason. Okay, I would love to come to your party, and I look forward to seeing you. Simon says he can't come to the party. He can't come to the party. Um, so we'll definitely be there. I'm not sure, that doesn't really make any sense. Oh, but we'll definitely be there. So Simon isn't one of the we, but we'll definitely be there. We would love to join you, but unfortunately, we are going to another party on that day. We will bring a salad and we'll also bring drinks. I will be late because I have a football match that finishes at 3 p.m. John is working in London at the moment, so he can't come. We'll bring a couple of salads because you know we don't eat meat. All right, so now finish each sentence. You're going to write an invitation to an event. First, think about the event by completing each sentence. So we're going to, the event will take place, and we would like people to bring. So you can just fill those in with whatever you'd like. And now write an invitation. You want to say hello, ask how the person is, introduce the event, ask if the person can come, give more details, write about the next time you will meet, and say goodbye. And then make sure that you use the present continuous for future arrangements. Use going to for intentions and plans. Use linking words. And make sure that you have the correct word order on your questions. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share. And if you have any comments, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.